how to turn this to this. It's simple. With Onico 551S Multi-Purpose Silicone Dressing. Before we start, add mark with paper tape so we can see before and after application with fair and square. Shake first and spray evenly. To avoid this mistake, you may test spray first for better experience. For me, this mistake is not cause any problem. Spread evenly to entire surface with applicator. You can use microfiber or clean cloth if you want. Now, let's take a look. Wow, amazing gloss and clean. Let's do the rest. After this, wipe again with clean cloth to remove any residue and wait until dry. This coat will protect your trim from dirt, dust, scratch, also prevent from degradation and stay at least a month. Get your Onico 551S now.